Welcome to the Asian Symposium on Materials and Processing, ASMP 2024. It is truly an honor to be here in the presence of such an illustrious gathering of distinguished guests, eminent scholars, industry experts, and bright minds who are here to exchange ideas and foster innovation in the realm of material processing. This symposium is a beacon of collaboration and innovation, and as we embark on this enriching journey, let us celebrate the fusion of knowledge, expertise, and vision that ASMP has always stood for. Without further ado, let us commence the proceedings with a mesmerizing cultural performance that embodies the spirit of unity and celebration. Presenting to you an inaugural Mohiniyattam dance performance, a graceful classical dance from the state of Kerala, known for its elegance and storytelling through movement.
महागणपतिं